How to use Climb Invest app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Climb Invest makes it possible for everyday people to invest in private credit, something once reserved for institutions. But beginners often misunderstand how it works, and that can lead to costly mistakes. The first mistake is assuming it's like the stock market. Climb's investments are in private loans. They generate stable returns, not quick trades. If you expect instant liquidity, you'll be disappointed. Next, users ignore risk profiles. Climb lets you choose between different credit grades, each with its own return and race. Picking the highest yield without reading the details can backfire if defaults rise. Another mistake, forgetting to diversify. Just because it's private credit doesn't mean you should put all your capital into one deal or grade. Read your investments to reduce exposure. Pro tip, always read the offering details before committing funds. The app makes it easy to invest, but informed choices lead to better results. And here's what most people get wrong. They think passive income means no effort. In reality, it means smart effort up front. Used properly, Climb Invest gives you a new way to grow wealth steadily, bridging the gap between conservative bonds and high volatility stocks.